Hey there! Tired of the same boring weight loss tips? Ready to ditch those stubborn pounds without another boring diet plan? Me too. We're diving into 5 crazy effective weight loss tips that are actually fun. No crazy restrictions, just simple tweaks that get real results. So grab your water bottle, get ready to take some notes, and let's get this weight loss party started. Are you with me? Let's go. It's time to change your life. All right, let's kick things off with tip number 1. Drink more water. It's one of the simplest, yet most effective ways to support your weight loss journey. Drinking a big glass of water before each meal can actually help you eat less. It creates a sense of fullness, making it easier to control your portions. Plus, water fills you up, so you're less likely to overeat. This can be a game changer if you often find yourself reaching for seconds. Keep a water bottle with you all day long and sip on it constantly. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining your energy levels and focus. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel and how much easier it is to resist those tempting snacks. Hydration can also improve your mood and overall well-being. And hey, if plain water sounds boring, jazz it up. There are plenty of ways to make your water more exciting. Add some lemon, cucumber, mint, or berries for a refreshing twist. These natural flavors not only taste great, but also add a touch of elegance to your hydration routine. Let's face it, restrictive diets just plain stink. That's why I'm all about tip number 2, the 80-20th rule. It's about enjoying your favorite foods without the guilt. Here's how it works. 80% of the time, focus on nourishing your body with whole, nutrient-rich foods. The other 20%, enjoy those delicious indulgences in moderation. It's all about finding that sweet spot. Okay, are you ready for tip number 3? This one is going to change the way you think about exercise forever. This one is all about ditching the I hate exercise mentality and finding movement you genuinely love. It's time to redefine what exercise means to you. Do you love to dance? Then crank up the music and have a dance party in your living room. Invite your friends or family to join in and make it a fun event. Do you enjoy being outdoors? Go for a hike, a bike ride, or a swim, explore new trails, parks, or lakes in your area. The key is to find something that gets your heart rate up, makes you sweat a little, and brings a smile to your face. It should feel more like play than work. Remember, exercise doesn't have to be a chore. Every little bit counts. Find your fun and make it a part of your daily routine. Ready for tip number 4? Prioritize your sleep. It's more important than you might think. Getting enough shut-eye is crucial for your overall health and weight loss goals. Quality sleep helps your body recover and function optimally. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat storage. This stress hormone can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Plus, lack of sleep messes with your hunger hormones, making you crave unhealthy foods and overeat. Prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to regulate those hormones and curb cravings. Your body will thank you. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading a book or doing a skincare regimen. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet to promote better sleep quality. And put those electronics away at least an hour before bed. This helps your mind wind down and prepares you for restful sleep. And last but not least, tip number 5 is all about managing stress. Managing stress is essential for your mental and physical health. When you're constantly stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, which can lead to weight gain. Find healthy ways to de-stress that work for you, like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Remember, you deserve to feel calm, balanced, and in control. Manage stress effectively to give your body the best chance to release those extra pounds. And there you have it, my friends. 5 fun, simple, and science-backed tips to help you reach your weight loss goals without the struggle. Sustainable weight loss is about making small, gradual changes that you can stick with for the long haul. So go out there, implement these tips, and transform your health and well-being. I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Let's crush our goals together.